Are your web pages loading super slow? YouTube videos crashing or not playing at all? Maybe your internet seems fine but nothing's opening. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. I've got a super quick fix for you. This issue started happening after a recent Windows update, and it's affecting a lot of people, so let's cut to the chase. First, open the control panel. You can just type Control Panel in the search bar, or right-click your network icon at the bottom and go to Open Network and Internet. From there, head into Network and Sharing Center. Next, click on Change Adapter Settings on the left. Now, right-click your active connection and select Properties. Inside, click on Configure, then go to the Advanced tab. Scroll down until you see UDP Checksum Offload. By default, it's usually enabled, but that's what's causing the issue. Go ahead and set it to disabled. Click OK to save your changes. Once you do that, things should start loading fast again. YouTube, web pages, everything. Like I said, this problem came from a Windows update, and it's been driving people crazy, but this quick tweak usually fixes it right away. Alright guys, that's it. Hopefully this fixed your issue. For more quick tech tips like this, make sure to follow the channel. I post a bunch of simple fixes and tutorials. Alright, have a good day.